In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use offline mode in Notion. If you've ever been on a flight, commuting through dead zones, or simply want peace of mind that an important page will be available without internet, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly what to do and what to expect. Start in the Notion app, not the web browser. Open the specific page you want to use offline. This part matters. Offline access is set per Pascal G, so make sure you are actually viewing the page you'll need later. Give it a moment to load fully while you are still online, so everything on the page is visible. Next, look to the top right corner of the page for the three-dot menu, sometimes shown as three small dots in a row. Tap or click that menu to open the page options. You'll see a variety of settings here, but the one you want is labeled Available Offline. Toggle Available Offline on. The moment you do, Notion starts saving that page's content to your device, so it can be opened even when you are disconnected. You'll see a progress indicator appear. This is your cue that the download is underway. Keep the app open while this runs. If the page has lots of text, images, or large databases, expect the progress bar to take a bit longer. Staying on a stable connection until the bar completes will help it finish smoothly. Now, wait for the progress bar to complete. That's your confirmation that the page has been fully downloaded to your device. Once it's done, the page is ready for offline use. From this point on, you can open it without internet access. You can read, make edits, and add notes as needed. Any changes you make will sync automatically the next time your device reconnects to the internet. A few tips to make this more reliable. If you know you'll be offline for a while, repeat this process for any other pages you might need, so they re-cached in advance. Avoid closing the app or putting your device into a mode that suspends activity until the progress bar completes. If you add new content to the page later, just keep in mind that the app may briefly update the offline copy when you are back online. That's all there is to it. Open the page, use the three-dot menu, toggle Available Offline, and wait for the progress bar to finish. With that, your Notion page is ready to go wherever you are. Thanks for watching.